Welcome to this intermediate Excel tutorial. Today we'll cover rows and columns, cells and formatting, formulas and functions, and tables and charts. First, rows and columns, cells and formatting. Rows are horizontal, columns are vertical, and cells are where data is entered. Formatting helps make data readable. Change fonts, cell size, alignment, and use styles to quickly format cells. Second, formulas and functions. Formulas start with an equal sign and allow you to perform calculations. Functions like sum, average, and if help automate tasks and simplify your work. Third, tables and charts. Tables organize your data for easy sorting and filtering. Charts help visualize data. Whether it's a bar, line, or pie chart, they make your data clearer.
So let's start. How to insert or delete rows and columns. Insert and delete rows and columns to organize your worksheet better. To insert, select a cell. Go to the Home menu and select Insert button. Choose Insert Sheet Rows or Insert Sheet Column. Need to delete a column or row? Select a cell in the column or row you want to delete. Select Home, then Delete, and choose what you want to delete. How to select cell contents? You can select cell contents of one or more cells, rows, and columns. So click on a cell to select it. To select a range of cells, select one and drag over this other cell. To select non-adjacent cell and range, hold Control button. To select an entire column, select the letter. To select an entire row, select the number. To select non-adjacent rows and columns, hold Control button and select what you want. To select a list or range, select a cell within the list or range and press Ctrl plus A button. Click Select All to select the entire worksheet. How to freeze panes to lock rows and columns. To keep an area of a worksheet visible while you scroll the another area of the worksheet, need to freeze the top row. So select View, Freeze Panes, and freeze top row. Need to freeze the first two columns. Select the third column. Freeze panes. Need to freeze columns and rows. Select the cell below the row and the right of the column you want to. Select View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes. Need to unfreeze panes. Select View, Freeze Panes, Unfreeze Panes. Hide or show rows or columns. Hide or unhide columns in your separate sheet to show just the data that you need to see or print. Select one or more columns. Press and hold Ctrl to select column. Right-click and select Hide. The double line between two columns indicate that there are hidden columns. To unhide, select the adjacent column, right-click and select Unhide, or double-click the double line. So how to filter or remove values in Microsoft Excel? To filter, select Data, Advanced, select Filter the list in place, select Unique Record Only and select OK. Select Data, Clear to remove the filter. Before you remove duplicates, copy of original cells to another worksheet, select Data, Remove Duplicates. Select the column that contains duplicates. Select OK and check your result. How to split text into different columns. Take text in one or more cells and split into the multiple cell using the convert text to column results. Select the column that contain text you want to split. Select data, text to column. Select delimited and next. Select the delimiters, select next. Select where you want to new column. Select finish. Create a list of sequential dates in Microsoft Excel. Select a cell and type a date. Drag the fill handle. To use autofill options, right click and drag the fill handle. Choose an option. Or select a cell and type a date. Select your cells and select fill and series. Choose your options and select OK. How to move or copy cells in Microsoft Excel? Different ways. Number one, drag and drop concept. Select some cell. Point to the border of the selection. When the pointer becomes a move pointer, drag the cell to another location. Cut and paste method. Select some cells. Select cut or press Ctrl plus X button. A dotted line indicates the cell has been cut. Select where you want to move the cell. Select paste or press Ctrl plus V button. How to copy and paste. Select some cells. Select copy or press Ctrl C. Select where you want to copy the cell. Select paste or press Ctrl plus V button. How to find or replace text and numbers, such as particular numbers or text strings. Select home, find and select, find or press Ctrl plus F button. Type what you are looking for, find next highlights each result one at a time. Find all shows a list of every occurrence. Need to replace text or numbers. Select home, find and select replace. Type what you want to replace and what you want to replace it with. Select find next. Replace change the result one at a time. Replace all changes, all the results. How to apply data validation to cells. Use data validation to restrict the type of data or the values that users enters into a cell, like a drop-down list. So, first of all, you need to select the column you want to limit. Select data, data validation. Select one of the options. Select the limit. Select input message. Select error alert to customize the error message and choose the style. Select OK. Select a cell to see the input message and enter data. The error alert will appear if date is outside the parameter. How to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting provides visual cues to help you quickly make sense of your data. So, need to quickly find the top 10 expenses of the month. Select cells, select home, conditional formatting, top button rule, top 10 items. Choose how many values you want to highlight it and select a format. Select OK. How to align or rotate text in a cell. If you want to change the way data appear in a cell, you can rotate the font angle. Select a cell, row, column, or range. Select Home, Orientation, choose an option. Need to rotate a precise angle. Select Home, Orientation, Format, Cell Alignment. Type or choose the degree you want. Select OK. Want to change your alignment? Select a cell, row, column, or range. Choose your horizontal or vertical alignment. How to change the format of a cell. You can apply formatting to an entire cell and the data inside a cell or a group of cells. Want to quickly format cells? Select a cell. Hold the cell. Change the font. Want to apply styles to cells? Select cells. In cell style, change the color. There are a number of preset styles. Right-click to modify any style. Select Format and change what you want. Select OK. Apply the new style. Display or hide zero values. You may have a personal preference to display zero values in a cell. To change an entire workbook, select File, Option, Advanced. Uncheck Show a zero in cell that a zero value. Select OK. To change a single cell, select it. Format, Format cell. Select Number, Custom, select OK. To display a hidden value, select Number Format, then Journal. Create and build a custom numeric format to show your numbers as percentage, currencies, dates, and more. Select the cell you want to format. Select the row. Select Custom. Select an existing format or type New one. To add text, type what you want in quotation marks. Add a space to separate the number and text. A preview will show in the sample box. Select OK.